Hello students, as judge of the Juvenile Court of Russell County, I want to tell you how happy I am you are getting a chance this year to take part in one of the most memorable experiences of high school, the prom. Sadly though, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed how we navigate through life, and I wish you all could enjoy prom season under normal circumstances. But sometimes we have to take the good with the bad. It's a part of life. I want to take a moment though to encourage you to still appreciate this precious event and have fun so that the good memories can far outweigh the toll COVID has taken on you and your classmates over the last 13 months. So go out and have a good time, but remember, there will be times when you might be tempted to use drugs or alcohol to celebrate prom season with your friends. Now, I don't want to preach to you, but it goes without saying, be a leader, not a follower. Possession and consumption of alcohol as a minor is against the law, and possession and the use of drugs such as marijuana, pills, and methamphetamines is not only illegal, but can be deadly. Each year, thousands of teens your age die from alcohol and drug-related incidents during the prom season. We certainly don't want that to happen to you and your friends. So please, dance, laugh, and have fun, but make good decisions. Don't use drugs or alcohol at the prom, and don't let your friends drink and drive and use drugs and alcohol either. Enjoy the prom.
Hey guys, this is Jason Flowers from the East Alabama Mental Health Center Prevention Services team, and I want you guys to remember to stay safe and sober during prom night or your special event. We understand that it's a night of great entertainment and great fun, but we don't want you guys to make bad choices on this night. And we want you guys to remember to have fun, have a good time, but you do not need alcohol to make that happen, all right? So guys, if you don't remember anything else that I've told you, remember to stay safe and sober, all right? Have a good one.
The reason your teen years are so critical is because your brain isn't fully developed into your mid-20s. Each part of your brain is focused on a specific function like movement, decision-making, which helps you use better judgment, by the way, and your memory. And as a young person, alcohol can have a stronger effect on you than it can an adult. Alcohol used by someone under the legal drinking age is considered alcohol abuse, because of the negative effects alcohol has on the developing brain. Youth who start drinking before the age of 15 are 5 times more likely to develop an alcohol dependence later in life than those who begin drinking at the age of 21. 29% of fatalities while driving are caused by alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption contributes to more than 4,300 deaths among underage youth in the United States each year.
I'm Jamie Lowe, former young person. In this upcoming prom and graduation season, I've been asked to help encourage you to stay safe and sober. First, I would like to share some startling statistics with you about underage drinking. In a study published by the CDC surveying high school students, it was reported that 30% of students had previously drank, 14% of students had binged drink, and 17% rode with somebody who was drinking, while 5% drove while drinking. Now, those last two statistics are particularly startling when you consider the fact that the leading cause of death among teens in America is accidents. Not to mention, alcohol at this age just is not a good thing for you. In fact, it makes things far worse. It can lead to school, social, and legal issues, among many other things, particularly with people who struggle with it. Now, if 2020 has taught us anything in spades, it's taught us that life can be filled with unexpected roadblocks and detours. Some of them huge, like a global pandemic that freezes the world in its tracks. Some of them baffling, like giant invader killer wasps. Either way, life needs no help in slowing you down, so don't give it the tools it needs to help slow you down even further, and don't make careless, potentially life-altering mistakes. Over 14 million adults struggle with alcoholism in the United States, and a whopping 9 million of those reported to have started when they were underage. Now, it may be true that you can drink occasionally and not necessarily be one of those statistics, but that's certainly an unnecessary risk to take, and one that I'm not willing for you to take, and one that you definitely should be willing for yourself to take. You have your whole lives ahead of you. And right now, you're probably at the most important juncture there is in life. Many of you will be going off to college. Some of you are starting your careers. In either case, the world is yours for the taking. We need you to be who you're destined to be. We need you to reach the fullest of your potential. And right now, the sky is the limit. Beyond the sky is the limit. Apparently, they're building space hotels or something. Some of you will be up in space doing things that I have no idea. I'm no physicist. But there are two things that are certain in life, and they're very important that you remember these two things. The first one is, you will not be seeing me in space under any circumstances. So if you choose to be up there, you'll be up there by yourself. And two, life is not easy. Just because potential is limitless and opportunities are plentiful does not mean that they are permanently waiting for you. They are there for you to take or not take. You have the power to make or break yourself. And please, I, among many people, are here to ask you not to break yourself. You are needed, so please, please make good decisions. I promise you can have fun without drinking. I had not one but 2 proms completely safe and sober. And besides being left by my date on the first one, which I'm not ashamed to admit, I had the time of my life. Not to mention all the other parties I've been to and had great fun, because I am the life of every party I've ever been to. Now, while that's not true, it certainly is funny. But what certainly is true is that you can have fun without alcohol. In fact, you don't need alcohol for anything. It will in no way make your life any easier, and you certainly don't want to be in a position where you are dependent on it for anything, even if it's just dependent on it to have a fun time. And I recognize that you may be under pressure by your peers to fit in. But I promise you this, making the decision to do the right thing and separate yourself from the crowd has never come back to haunt anyone. So make the decision to be different if you have to. And if that decision is too hard for you, then pick a different group. Surround yourself with a different crowd. Be around different people who bring you positive attributes. After all, we are who we hang around, for better or for worse. So remember, you owe it to yourself and to the world to be who you're supposed to be. So remember to have a safe and sober season.
It may feel like you've waited forever to experience your high school prom. Your parents, your family, and your loved ones are so excited to see how great you'll look in your dress and your tux. However, for many parents, siblings, and friends, prom night ends up with a dreaded phone call informing them of a tragic accident which involved their loved one. Take the pledge and promise to have a safe and sober prom night. Repeat after me. And when I say state your name, you state your name and make it personal to you. I state your name, promise to have a safe and fun prom night. I promise to remain drug and alcohol free on prom night. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you got something from it. And remember, have a safe and sober prom night.